In this short video, we are going to set the scales for the viewport. In the previous video, we created the viewport. In this video, we will set the desired scale for planned production in this viewport. So I will save this drawing as set scales for viewport. Click save. Now, as we discussed earlier, our scale is 1:2000, which we show our drawings to our viewers or clients or customers, whatever the person we are presenting our drawing. So to set the scale, you have to click a viewport, and here you have to set this scale to 1:2000. Currently this scale is not here, so you have to create that scale. So you have to go to custom, and to add that scale you have to add this one. So to get an idea about how scales work, you first go to some scale and go to edit how it works. Now it's 1:1000 work as paper millimeters 1, drawing meters 1. So your 1:2000 should be paper millimeters 1, drawing meters should be 2, like that. So I will go to add, and my scale is 1:2000. Sorry, 1:2000, and my drawing unit should be 2 for 1 paper millimeters. Right, I click OK, and I click OK again. So I select the viewport here, and I set this to 1:2000, and I will lock this one, otherwise it will change the scale. Once you go inside and zoom in and zoom out, you can see the scale is changing if you go inside. So instead I go outside and select the viewport and go here, change the scale to 1:2000, and I lock the viewport here, so it will not move inside the viewport. Now you can see, even though I zoom in and out, it will not change the scale inside the viewport. So I will double click here and do the same to the other viewport as well. Go to here, 1:2000, and lock. So you can also use your desired scale according to your output. So this is how to set up the scale for viewports in the process of planned production in Civil3D. In the next video, we will see how to add the node arrow in the drawing.
Thank you for watching our channel. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press on bell icon.